Mate, look at that! Doesn't it look so beautiful?
I've just been transported back. Like that ratatouille moment?
Tempura is a real art form in Japan. It's only second, really, to sushi as an iconic Japanese food, and it's all about the detail. I'm going to show you how to do it with all my little tips to just get it perfect. You do it with vegetables or seafood, and I'm going to use things like shiso leaves or lotus root, but it's going to start with a little dipping sauce made with seaweed. Okay, we're going to make a dashi, which is a stock made from seaweed, and we're using a piece of kombu. So start off by just using a damp cloth and just wiping down any impurities, giving that just a little bit of a clean down. Once you've done that, we need to rehydrate it. So just drop it into your water and let it rehydrate, let it suck all that in. I've done some a little bit earlier, and so you just pull that up, and what you've got is this beautiful, gorgeous piece of seaweed. So that's going to go now into boiling water. Just drop that in, and that just needs to come back up to the boil for about 20 minutes, and then get it out, because otherwise it will make the stock bitter. Now, once you've got that out, now you need to use your shaved tuna, your Bonito flakes. So just get that in, and then you're going to bring that back up to the simmer, and you're just going to simmer it for about a minute, no longer. And then once it's simmered for a minute, take it off the heat, and you need to let that now sit there and steep for about 10 minutes. Pass it through a sieve, and that is your dashi stock done. Now, to make the dipping sauce, it's basically 1/2 dashi. So get that in. And then 1/4 soy and 1/4 mirin. Dipping sauce done. So I've gone for a really nice selection of vegetables. I want to use some Asian ones like lotus root or the shiso leaf. The important thing to do when you're doing leaves in tempura is that you only put flour on one of the sides, whereas with the veg, you dredge them with flour on both sides, and then it goes through the batter. The key to the batter, which is coming later, is you do it only when you're ready to do it. You don't do it and have it sat there for ages. We'll get to that. So I've got a selection here. I'm going to rattle through them. I'm going to cook them all the same size. I'm going to use different ones because I want different colours. Let's start with some zucchini. Asparagus works great. When you're prepping these, the ends are quite woody, so just pull them along until you get to the point where it just snaps like that, and that's where you need to cut the ends off. Now, with the lotus root, just take your peeler, just peel the outside. Once you've got the skin off, then we're going to slice through. How beautiful does that look? Like, I'm really excited now. All that colour and that flavour, it's gonna be mega. Next up, you've got to get your fry station ready. Now that's really important. If you don't get all organised, you're gonna mess it up. So, follow me. Now the key to tempura, in fact the key to many Japanese dishes, is getting all your mise en place, all your preparation done, so then you're ready to do and serve. That's so important with tempura. As soon as it's fried, you need to serve it, so you need to be organised. So I've got all my vegetables ready to rock. I've got some plain flour, and then I've got my kitchen paper for the fried food to come out on and to sit on there. The only thing I'm missing is the batter, which is the main event, so follow me. Okay, now making a tempura batter, it's an absolute art. Getting it right is the key point. So you need 2 egg yolks. You need 475 mils of cold water, 200 grams of plain flour, and then you need some ice cubes, and that's the real trick, because when you put that in, it makes the batter super cold, and then when it hits the fryer, it explodes, and that's why it becomes super crispy. So it all starts with 4 chopsticks. You're going to use those to incorporate the ingredients. First up, egg yolks in. Now it's time to add the flour. Now, we're just going to dump it in, we're going to poke it down, and then we're going to just mix it for no more than 30 seconds, and then the batter is ready. It's time to dip those vegetables in it. Right, the batter's nice and lumpy. That's perfect. Let's get the veg in the flour, in the batter, in the fryer. Now, remember, if you're doing a Shiso leaf, then you just want it on one side you get the flour. So just dip that in, leave the other side clear. Another little technique to add double crunch is you just take a little bit of your batter and you flick it onto the piece of vegetable that you're frying, and what that does is it just keeps adding double crunch on top of crunch on top of crunch. Makes it super crunchy. You get these nice bits sticking out of super crunch. Super crunchy tempura. Mate, look at that! Doesn't it look so beautiful? Like, that is just so beautiful. Something to get really excited about. Let me try it. See, that's the thing about, oh, sorry. See, that's the thing about tempura. It's not fatty, it's super crispy. It's absolutely delicious. Let's just try the carrot. Oh, mate, all day long. That is delicious. And doesn't it look pretty? Right, let's get a plate of this up, take it to the street and see what people will pay. Oh, God, that's so good. That is just a plate of happiness right there. How much? 12 quid all day. Now, if you're loving the recipe, subscribe. If you're loving the food, subscribe. If you're loving what we're doing, subscribe to the channel. Oh, right, see what they'll pay. So, your name? Mate, John, good to see you. You're a chef?
Yes.
That's not a problem then, is it? You look familiar.
My name's Matt.
And you are?
I am a chef as well.
He is. No problem then.
I'm not a chef.
And your name is?
Georgie.
Georgie. Right, dip in. Okay.
I've just been transported back. Like that ratatouille moment? It's that ratatouille moment. It's like the first time when I'm sitting in that sushi restaurant in New Zealand and I've just taken my first bite of tempura. There with the hottest girl in the world. My girlfriend.
Georgie, what's it saying to you?
The dipping sauce is amazing. Like, you can taste the bonito. Like, it's really deep. Like, yeah, it's really
Like
good.
it?
Crispy.
Chef?
Yeah, it's nice texture. Very good.
Good, good. Okay, don't go over the top. We wouldn't want that. Right, now, so we're going to go, we're priced up for a full main course portion of tempura. Right now, it's not served in a restaurant. What do you think for a full plate?
£6.
£6? Okay, fine. Georgie?
For like a tub of it on street food.
So this is a main course portion.
£8?
£8?
I was going to say that. Okay, I'm going to go $8.50.
That's a revelation of culinary loving right there, people. So tasty. I can't believe I lost. I should do a video just on pricing. Right, people. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Oh yeah.